your bum on there. Are you able to press it down? Or is it kind of hard? You're a little short, so push your bum more towards the edge. Can you do that? You feel like you're going to fall off? No? Okay, good. Put your heel on the floor. Yeah, then press the pedal down like that. Can you do that? Up and down? Good. Good. Yeah, hold it down like that, okay?